Hi guys, this is a video for the sales tracker template. To go on the sales tracker template, you need to go on the template option on the left panel, scroll down and click on view template. Then on the top right corner, you need to go on add to account. With this, your sales tracker template has been added. Once this is done, you can see two modules here, contact and details. To add contacts, you can go on the plus icon. A form will pop up and you can add all the details here. Or you can click on the contact card, click on the form here and add details here. Let me show you. Once you've added all the details, you can click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see that these details are added here. So as in when you want to add more details, you will see that once you click submit, all of it will start getting populated here. Now, once a contact is created, we will create a deal for that contact. To do that, we go on the deal option on the top, go on enter data. A form will pop up and we will be adding all the details on the form. Once all the information is added, you can go to discussion logs. Discussion logs helps you maintain a record of all the discussions you have with a particular client. So the first discussion could be via email and the discussion details could be 100 quantity logo. Follow up on the next Monday and add a status. Press submit. With that, all the information is recorded here and you can see it. Now, say the next Monday is come and you need to look for this user. So you can filter it either by company or contact name and find the user. And you can go on the discussion log and you can enter another discussion that you have. So say the follow-up was done on call. Discussion is that order is placed. There will be no other follow-up date required and status can be changed to converted to order. With this, you can see that the deal stage over here has also changed to converted to order. If in case the order does not get closed in that call, you can click here and you can find all the data related to all the calls that are made to that particular client. So this is basically the sales tracker template. With this, you can, keep a track of all your inbound calls, outbound calls, orders converted, how long does it take to do it. All of that information can be stored here. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much.